YouTube? Back here, Dewan with Level Up Transport with another video for you guys. This video gonna be a little interesting, you know, cause this is an achievement for me. It's my third month in business as an owner operator, and I want to do something a little different this time. I don't want to just make a video of me just, you know, here, just sitting down talking. I want to bring y'all along with me. So come with me. Hold up, almost forgot. Before we go out the door, I gotta tell y'all, I appreciate y'all, you know, for following me on my journey. Thanks once again for the motivation, you know, that helps keep me moving forward, keep me inspired to keep making these videos and just keep me pushing forward. Also, wanna say welcome to my new followers. Hope you like the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And can't forget, always gotta thank that man upstairs, because without him, none of this would ever happen. Okay, we got that out the way. Now let's go. Come on, let's go. What's up, guys? We got just a little short run today. It's about 5:30 right now, and we're heading over to the truck. Gonna see if my partner there. Yeah, y'all gonna come with us. Y'all gonna see how it is out here on the road as a trucker. Stay tuned.
Yo,
What's up, chat?
good morning. Let's get to this chicken.
Hey, get to this chicken. That's my brother right there. A1 day one right there. Been rocking with me since day one with the business.
From the start, from the jump.
Crazy.
I'm telling you, man. Look at the camera. We're gonna look at this video 10 years from now. Watch what I tell you. 10 years. 10 years. That's all I'm gonna say.
10
It's
years
written
from now.
in stone. Lord willing, we all make it to that point. But 10 years, watch what I tell you. It's gonna make sense later.
Go.
Huh?
We get some prayer.
Alright.
Go, yeah.
Gotta start us off right.
Dear Lord, I'd like to thank you for another beautiful day, another way to dwell in this truck and provide for our family, dear Lord. I thank you for the opportunities you blessed us with and the ones to come. I pray you watch over everyone on the road today as they travel safely to and from the destination, especially us in this motor vehicle, dear Lord. I ask that you continue to guide us, Lord, and continue to give us the vision we need to complete our dreams, dear Lord. I pray you watch over my family as I travel, Lord, and forgive them of their sins, dear Lord, as you forgive us of ours as well. I pray you watch over us and continue to just lead us in a certain way that we understand what we're doing, Lord, and we gain more knowledge day by day.
We know that you gave your son on the cross to die for us, dear Lord, and we greatly appreciate it.
More or less, Lord, I want to pray for those who are less fortunate than us, Lord, that you may bless them with the things they need to survive
And to have their day as well.
in Jesus Christ's name. Amen.
Amen.
Don't ever forget that. Morning prayer before you pull off is always a part of that preacher.
Gotta have it.
Now let's get to this money. Head down here at Domino. Gotta get the truck. Head out the way. Yeah. Go ahead and gotta get the truck weighed. See where we at. 32,620. That's what the truck weighed. That's what the truck weighed empty. Alright. Alright. That's simple. Let's get this baby on the door so we can get loaded and we can get up out of here. hit something while making a video.
You got it. Oh yeah, easy money, easy money, easy money, easy money. Okay, on the angle tip too. There she go.
Yes, sir. Stuff like this stopping us from making our money. What is y'all doing?
Why don't you just slide back? I don't do. They got the little bulldozer shit digging in the front of them.
No.
Man, this shit nigga took the grab.
They need to come on. Get out the way. See that door right? Yeah, that open door. That's where I'm going.
rich, it's the first time you hop in the truck. It's not going to happen. But over time,